Dr. Trailer in the building.
Keep watching 101 with OdarteyGH.
No be you that give me to make a truck, yeah. No be you that give me place make a bed, yeah. No be you that...
Hello, AJ Poundz. Welcome to 101 with OdarteyGH.
OdarteyGH.
Yeah.
It's been a while though. I think we've been talking since last year.
We've been talking on social media.
Finally, I'm here.
Watch it. Alright, so tell me, why the name AJ?
AJ simply means Adwa.
Adwa, okay.
And then the Poundz is Adwa Poundz. Normally, like mostly, my mom calls me Adwa Sika. When she says Adwa Sika, it means Obejo Semenano. She wants hey on the Obekoneme. Most of my friends say she's my boyfriend. Like we are that close. Okay. Anytime I'm not home, she'll be calling. She goes extra mile for me. Okay, so I thought of using it was AJ baby. Okay. That's Adwa baby. And I thought of okay, why not use the Sika thing? I met Stash Gray, I think of Venus. Okay. He saved my name for the first time as AJ Poundz. He said the name just popped up. So after we had the second encounter, he told me and I was like, okay, why not use the name? Because everyone, if you go to Nigeria, they can't mention the Adwa. Wow. But the AJ will be like universal. That's like, oh my God, the AJ Poundz.
Wow, AJ Poundz. I thought probably Charlie spent some pounds or something.
Oh, and ever since I mentioned, I decided to use AJ Poundz. I've been seeing a lot of Poundz. Like it's normally names have impact on our lives.
Yeah, that's true.
Names really do affect us. Whether you like it or not, it will affect you positively or negatively. And ever since I started using AJ Poundz, Obi was, hey, when they send me to my mouse, kaketwao. And so be a kind of one to the oh, no, I wrote down what I say. So, well, I would say I've not regretted using the name Poundz.
That's great.
Nigeria
so
AJ Poundz.
What? Okay, Nigeria AJ Poundz.
Yeah, I don't want him.
Hey, and I tell you what you do. You're not gonna handle it.
No, to me, I've just started.
Okay, that's good. So what is AJ Poundz' real name?
Matilda Adwa Ifa Dins.
Wow, into Ifa.
Me feel sino me free. Me achimni pa me ochini mapa ochima yenhwe me say.
Okay. I know AJ Poundz to be an actress. So within this film, I want you to sell yourself. Probably there are certain things that you do that I don't know and my viewers also don't know. So just, sell yourself.
AJ Poundz is an actress like you mentioned. Yeah. She's a mother. She's a commercial model. She's a student. Yes. She's a student. Wow. She's into solar energy, solar power. Wow. Me you know. I am to real estate and so we all die beer. I get you bias. Assassin, so I get you bias. Okay. I get my percentage. It's a cool deal. Okay. You know what I say. Wow. So it's not just showbiz. You should add other stuff to it. That is if you can really multitask.
Wow. So should I say AJ Poundz? She's an actress, and I mean,
I do business.
Business.
I'm a business student, so why not?
So okay. So should I conclude that acting do not pay in Ghana?
It's not like it doesn't pay. For me, payment doesn't mean monetary. It doesn't mean only money. Anytime I see myself on TV, anytime my daughter sees me on TV, the fulfillment alone is enough payment for me. Okay. And so it depends on the individual's definition of payment. For me, it really pays. Okay.
Wow. So how did AJ Poundz start her acting career?
I started acting way back in, like, I was a kid. Anytime I'm not a good singer, I don't have a good voice. Okay. But anytime there was this choreography, I dance a lot. Wow. Misapa.
Creative artist, I said,
Misapa. Maybe what's more club na Misa. Oh really? I do. I miss her. Like it's not like I said normal. I started with choreography and then drama group, cultural group, but senior high school maybe because I was a girls prefect then. So I limited myself, into Nema Bibri. So after school, I joined the organizers of Mr. and Mrs. SSS, and then the talents, you know, it kicked me. I have to just, I saw these kids do a lot of things, even though I wasn't like permitted to join them because I was an organizer. So after the competition, the pageant, I met HM Films way back in Dahobe before Ghana was beautiful.
Which year?
2009.
Wow, that's quite a lot.
That was at
about
that
10
time.
years ago.
That time I met them. We had this near rehearsals, near you know, that kind of that humble beginning.
Yeah.
So me, my acting didn't. Some people even say I should not be saying I started way back, but
some people think you're a newbie.
No, I started way back with Raj, not Raj, with HM Films with
HM Films has been in the game for a very long time.
Way back.
Oldie.
I think it was last month or Xmas. I met and I went there and I greeted him. No one came, you look familiar. I've worked with you before. At that time, I'm slim, very tiny. Wow. You get it? So then I had to remind him of one or two things we did. And he was like, yeah.
Wow. Which means he himself has forgotten.
He's forgotten. But when we started talking, he encouraged me, he blessed me, things will get better. He's even glad I haven't given up and all that. Okay. So, it's not like, and no, I'm starting WWE. But starting as America Ghana was beautiful in 2011. I went for
Ghana was beautiful.
Yeah, I represented the Eastern region. You see, the work hasn't been easy. I started GMB, they called 2010 auditions, for me. Wow. Yeah, so I supported a friend. She won then, Amma. Wherever she is, I always mention her. Say, Organization was beautiful. Wherever they be America. Because she groomed me. Is
it Amma? No, TV3 Amma?
Yeah.
Oh, wow, nice.
She groomed me. And I'm a marketing man. After she won. Okay. So after I told her, Charlie, I want to really go. And she was like, why not? She groomed me. You see, even at a point, I was even using her costumes and stuff. Wow. Yes. I was selected. After selection, she kept coming to the house.
So which year were you selected? Like you said, you went and you didn't.
2010. So she won 2010. We went for the Eastern region. We all represented Eastern region, and she was selected. I gave her my support 100% genuinely.
That's a hallmark of.
So when after she won, I went to the house to visit her, and she told me, you know what, next year it was like it was like a normal thing. I sincerely wanted to go, but I didn't believe it was going to be just after her.
After her, oh, okay.
So after her, do that, she really groomed me, and I went for that. Okay. And son, I made some back to acting. So it hasn't been easy.
Wow. Okay, so I'm really interested in your acting career. So I want you to share with me your first movie. Which movie was that?
It was, I can't even remember. I was was it a man-made or say? We shot that at Joma. That was my very first movie. I was with what's the name? Sagari Berry. And then Gifty, Pinocchio, if you know her. Boama. It wasn't easy.
Wow. Were you paid?
Oh, of course not.
So what is that? Actors and actresses, your first official gig, they don't pay people. Not even transport.
Sometimes I don't blame them. The zeal and I won't say desperation, but you are even happy you got that
role. That role. Okay.
So
when you say that desperate.
Oh, of course. And I don't really know. I start to be corrected, but you being desperate doesn't mean it's a crime. Okay. You should want that thing so bad. Like the air you breathe. What I say, if you really want it that bad, my dear, will have no choice than to come your way. Wow. If you want something that bad, so when you have when you get a role, when you secure such a role, sweet, paying you. I mean, once I'm a Emma, dream. The excitement alone, no cry, no. Emma. Wow. Emma, it won't come.
Wow. So AJ Poundz has been acting for about 10 years now, right?
Yes, back and forth. I've seen things fall apart. You go, you come. Sometimes you give up. Sometimes you feel, Charlie, let me just forgo this thing. But I started way back. The interest and everything way back.
Way back. Okay, good. So, have you played a role? Have you ever played a lead role? in any of the movies that you shot so far?
Supporting.
Always supporting?
Always supporting.
Okay. How do you feel playing that role? And which movie was that?
Makeup Girl, Sami Ofori.
Oh, okay.
And then I always say, I wasn't expecting that coming. And you see, mostly, sometimes you feel, hey, they said they will sleep with you, so you are always holding back. When you get the role cry, you don't want to go.
Yeah.
When no, but it is not always like that. It will surprise you. These girls even give themselves to the directors.
Hey, really?
I am telling you.
So why do they come when we ask them questions like, and they want to sleep with you? So why do they come and tell us that the directors were forcing them and stuff?
I don't really know, but mostly the guys go through a lot of pressure.
Really?
Especially the casting directors and then they go through that pressure. And if you know so share among the 10 girls, maybe about could be woman or pair, maybe he follow. He's human. You get it? If you're at TVC, I followed the Fira for 5 good years. The day I got the role, it was even Gloria Sapota called and said the director wants to see me. I should come on set, blah blah blah. That was it.
Wow.
You get it? We met in a house, like in a friend's house. He heard me say this and that. We're actually cracking jokes. And the man was like, oh, okay, so she's the girl you've been talking of. That's to Gloria. Gloria said, yeah, she really wants to act. She's been following me. She's been like forcing me to, push her. So the director help her.
Oh, okay.
I think the following week or two, she gave me a call. I went on set and I did whatever. I had not even met the director since I had a chit chat with him. No.
Oh, okay.
So now I meet me. If you're at 2016, there is no single day where I say, "Bia, director Fro say, Bryce, never." But to be the best, baby say, director say me and that, director me say. I mean, sometimes it's not like I'm defending the directors. They are human. If they do, that's their business. But almost calm, tarnish image. Even if you are going into a relationship as a woman, you being an actress, not the perception alone. Hey, be before.
So let's talk about sex in movies. I watch lots of movies where people are having sexual intercourse. Is it true? Do they do the real thing?
No.
They don't.
On sets like you're here.
Yeah, we are here.
You and I
a sex
are here.
Scene.
You see, you and I are here. Director is here. The camera guys are here. There is a light man, sound. So if you are the actor, will you fuck the lady on set? Why else are people here?
Okay.
You won't do it.
But I believe some mutual this thing can happen.
No. Tricks
because some scenes really keep long. Some are just a flash. There's some seconds.
Dear.
But others,
sometimes you even have a director, assistant director, before sound, light, Conti will be there. What you see, like 5-6 people on set, plus the two characters. If you are the actor, would you? Will you already know? So what are you talking? Right. Is it you see, it is a film. You're acting out someone's character. You're interpreting the character. So you need to do it for real. So whoever that is watching will believe the story. That is how mostly people see it to be like that. But
some people also say if you don't put yourself in the act.
You put yourself in the act doesn't mean who could pan. That is why I asked you. Look at all these people on set available. Are you going to already know? Undi.
That's a quick you on more, AJ.
If they fuck themselves after, that is them.
No.
But on set,
some things are very long. And I quickly there. I said quickly. 1 minute, 2 minutes.
You ask the question. In as much, even who about the crowd won't mean, especially in this year culture, a woman. You can forward or them or you more be do. I mean, how?
Okay. All right, sure. Okay, how about the kissing? Is it real?
Yes. Now, kiss will kiss you be an idea. Songs of Solomon or some of our fiano shiamu.
Hey, I was so saying. Obia name, Obia Shanada.
Oh, you know, an or yeri or something. Now, be Johnny.
Okay, if that is the situation, do they run any tests? Because some diseases are communicable through saliva. And some of the cases, I know it's just mouth, if it's mouth to mouth.
Just that.
But if it's, some things are deep kissing. Talking about romance, that's sexy in American now. Kissing deep.
Sending
zooming in. Occupational hazard. Tank to tank. Do they run tests
Occupational hazard.
Occupational hazard. So you don't look at the health aspect of the actors.
Charlie, I don't know
how they do.
Who cannot see a British hands with the Baba, because you can be the amount. Online.
So have you ever kissed or
I think once. Not too like you were saying, but of course any day.
So did you get attached or develop any feelings for?
No. You see, when I'm on set, I'm working.
Okay.
Me Juma. Self-discipline, you need to discipline yourself.
Okay.
If you don't, afterwards, now could fine.
After.
Oh, and the mama sama. That's I haven't witnessed any. I'm like I witnessed of any story like that. So I can't pinpoint and say yeah. After this scene, I'm going. Mama sama.
Okay. Good.
So that's I can't really talk for them.
Let's come back to educational background. Which high school did AJ Poundz?
The Gropesek.
Yeah.
BG.
Cause
yeah, you know, me at 4. Me, so me geography, elective maths, economics.
2 choices, yana se wasi.
Oh, me name is Akrao. It was me at school 209. Me at school 209, and I'm joining Mr. and Mrs. SSS.
Oh, okay.
So me now I wanted to do something to dada.
Okay, into what design? So say I start into me.
April, no, 29.
Hey, no sapon.
It's a me baby.
And now you're in same side.
29. Me kaya na me say me ngini o. Some give me 23. Oh, be my.
That's all baby feels some mouth 23. Okay, it's AJ Poundz. But sir, I want you to share with me your fondest memory way back in high school. You say high SSD, night in some money, never be.
Yes, but unfortunately, when I was in school, when they see me do entertainment, they are shocked because I was a senior prefect.
Hey.
I was a senior girls prefect from primary. I'm a girls prefect. GSS me call Lamtemels. When Lamtemels, I'm a prefect, girls assistant prefect.
Hey.
Because senior high school, I'm a senior girls prefect.
Wow.
So I wasn't permitted to do some of the things my other colleagues were doing. I was that premium proper kind of girl on campus. So I didn't do much of the outing, much of the.
Wow.
So my senior high school life, I was a virgin way back in school.
Wow.
Maybe I'm a virgin.
Hey, I don't know what so far.
No, I say where I'm coming from now was from a booking room. My mom always told me, say, that is the only opportunity she can help. That's the only property she can give me as an education.
Okay.
So if I don't take good use of this opportunity, no, if I don't make good use of it, now I don't make sure say something better comes out of it. Now me the koye me masana me nyema. Atade na ehye me no uniform no. Me the no na be cheche me ban. I have a thing in mind.
Oh, okay.
So for senior high school, it was a no-go area. I just wanted to finish school and know say I won't write remedials, and that's the only certificate I have. I'm they are begging participating.
Oh, okay. But I still want a fondest memory, like you be a school. Fine, I know you took on leadership. Okay,
I took on leadership. What for me, I would say is I used to punish my colleagues, even the boys. Yeah. My senior boys prefect was very calm. JC, wherever you are, kisses. No, you're very calm and I am hard.
Wow.
I could go to the boys of my tree and punish them.
Hey.
Yes.
There's a long way. Now senior. Because
I had 2 deputies. At that time, I had 2 deputies. I had assistant prefect and I'm more assistant prefect too. Because a time near Dawson. It's a mean I'm main. No.
So I could final.
And my assistant headmaster, wherever you are, Mr. Saku, he supported me through BBA. Whatever I say, I take to him. And that time he was mean. Flexible. Oh, yes, mean. See, once I'm could man, no, I was fine. And I'm the only student he liked.
Nice. Maybe I'll make him get final.
So you can imagine. Wow. I took some boys there, I think 5 or 6 boys, to him. I punished them, they didn't do it. And I took their names, they made Chuka, it was so bad. Like that time I thought but growing up I realized, oh, why did I do all these things? Me share my colleagues, no, my punish them with that, but I'm ferry. I took the boys there. This man made them dig a hole. So now hole close to school. Now I was one supervising. I was supervise.
Hey, tomorrow will be back on digging.
And the way their girlfriend insulted and cursed me. OdarteyGH. Besides, they were wrong.
They were wrong, yeah.
Come here and they spoke to me very well. OdarteyGH, Charlie, say me you. Do the car. What I say, I'm human.
Yeah, you can
negotiate. Because the girls when they go outside, I me rock on me nyoma. I'm the provisions I sort me.
Wow. I don't know how you buy campus.
Oh, kakra. Are you guys? You want to tell me say you be
men? They be very powerful, Charlie.
On campus here, I will show
you.
You
go show a mafia.
Oh, I'm mafia them, me mafia.
Oh wow, that's a fun memory. Anyway.
It was till now. Oh, I think I met 2 of them at La Palm. I think was it at La Palm, Labadi Beach Hotel. I think I'm a ferry.
Oh wow.
And the other guy was like, "This girl, they went now. I won't beat.
I won't beat them." I saw my friend was school. I don't know what to say.
We took pictures, we laughed over those memories. And I'm here, wicked me.
Bro.
I was prim. I wish somebody decided in me.
Okay.
I was prim and proper on campus, no nonsense. Me uniform seminar, oh dear, Eva. Me uniform seminar, oh, but shorts.
Oh, shorts. Let's talk about your motherhood. At what age did you give birth?
23.
Wow, that's quite young. Were you in university then or any tertiary institution?
Yeah, Central University.
Wow, so what happened?
Yeah, I was in school and I didn't notice I was pregnant. It was, I think, almost 4 months. It wasn't, a week to 4 months, and then I noticed I was, I thought of carrying by my mom is been supportive. She supported me way back until now, and she's gonna be there till that do us part, which I pray for long life for her. Cause Charlie, some people don't even see me because my child is always with her. They call him me. Look at this is our job. Charlie, this our job is very tedious. If you understand me, let's hear you. I'll be good. Where sometimes you sleep very late, sometimes you don't even sleep at all. You are here, there. This woman is with Charlie, and easy. Family stuff, send the brain. So I'm my intimate now, life goes on. My family.
So you guys are?
No. Me running am cry.
So are you dating now?
Oh, so show me I'm here.
We have a phone. So how is he coping with the child? And all
he's okay.
He's okay.
Oh, Nyamipo.
But very soon, are you guys going to tie the knot or something?
Anything can happen. Tie the knot, dear.
So it's really true that some ladies can get pregnant and they don't know, but later they realize they are pregnant.
Me, I'm a victim of that. I was in my menses, I was flowing normally. So I didn't know, man, cry. It was my mom moving, saw that she looks pale. What is wrong with you? Then we went to the hospital to check. I remember very well like yesterday.
Charlie, guys should be very careful.
You can. So, maybe then because coming when I can be a kind of some papa and see. So sometimes now I'm put me mafia. As in, he really wants you to, bring that child. Always a miss, and you have no choice than to bring that child.
Wow, that's true. That's true. I'm getting emotional now.
Oh, it's okay. It's cool.
Yeah. So Ghana was beautiful. Which stage did you get to?
But say I think final 2 to evictees to finals. No, and I was so grateful to TV3. Don't say from start to when I was evicted, not many votes. Some even thought say me will be or pushing me.
You had a sponsor.
My dear, if I had a sponsor, I would rather let him or her vote for me.
Yeah, that's true.
It was it was just me, my God, and then favor. Because some look, me no be in a stage. The person's votes are way than mine, but I was performing as well. But it got to a point, her performance could not carry me to the finals because I didn't have enough vote. So for me, wherever I am so grateful to them, TV3, they be a maker. What I said, that was a stepping stone to greatness.
Okay. So what did you study at Central University? Which program?
Human Resource Management.
And you're now doing your master's again?
No, I didn't complete my way. I didn't complete.
So what year did you drop?
2nd year.
After you got pregnant?
Yes, so I didn't complete. So from there I went to GIJ. I had a short course at GIJ.
Okay.
Then to NAFT.
Which course was that?
Public speaking and communication strategy. So wherever I go, you have to, because you might have a lot of things written down there. You might have a lot of things in here, but if you cannot communicate it well to whoever that you want to hear you, results and a response now open. So communication is very, very important.
That's very, very true.
So from there to NAFT TV production, then to GIMPA, near project management.
Wow. So do you own a production or do you intend?
Of course I intend to.
What production? What will be the name?
Yeguso.
Alright, so if AJ Poundz is not doing acting or going about movements, what will she be doing?
I'll be sleeping.
Hey, that's also a party, you know, is that?
Party, yes, but that me pender off.
Okay.
It's better. Sleeping makes me beautiful.
Okay.
You need to rest the body and make sure so you relax the skin. You get it. So I'm not toning, I'm not fair, but my dark skin needs, it needs shade. You need to sleep for beauty. That's true. So if I'm not going anywhere, if I'm not partying or whatever,
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much, AJ Poundz, and this has been a professional segment on OdarteyGH. All right, AJ Poundz, you're welcome to the Goofy segment.
Goofy?
Yeah, Goofy.
Hey.
Yeah. And this segment, you have 5 questions. So you pick 5 questions from this basket. And you have 1 minute to answer each question. Yeah, so.
Hey, now I'm nervous.
Don't be nervous.
Okay.
Hey. I'm not gonna say. Mix it. All right, so when you pick, I will ask you. All right, great. What's the plural of mouse?
Mice.
Wow, high five. She knows. All right, second.
The more you want to go.
I said, we are going central investors and so game party. And you may be. Okay. Cry like a baby.
Baby, cry
like a baby. Cry. I want to cry. I'm an actress. Cry. I want to cry myself.
I've lost my voice. Okay, back. Forgive me. Let me pick another one for this one.
It's okay.
Pick again. Hey, gosh.
So this is the third one. I'm sure this is what you want. Right?
Oh, my losing my voice is amazing. I'll do it.
Who composed the national anthem?
Philip Bow.
Hey, Charlie, we are shocked. Hey, I didn't feel you. All right, so 4th.
Hey, God, I'm nervous. So.
Don't be nervous. Yeah, it's a cool chat.
That's because now bow.
It's cool. How old is Ghana?
Ghana is 57, 60. No. 61, 62, 61. Okay, so 1957.
Yeah, so 61.
So so this year will be 62. Okay.
I thought you were looking at this year. You're adding this year.
Yeah, I was adding this year.
Right, so last one.
Hey.
Are you a shako?
Okay,
senior perfect and stuff. So Charlie.
Oh.
How many regions are in Ghana?
It used to be 10, but then I'm dividing. So dividing division in there that I don't really know. Hey.
Just guess.
Is it 50?
You're close, very close. Very, very close.
17.
No,
16.
16, great.
Really?
That's good.
So they divided 6 more. I know of they divided the North, they divided the BA, they divided Western,
and then Volta.
Yeah, and Volta.
Yeah, so that's 16 regions.
So 16. That's okay, but is it going to be helpful?
Probably.
Okay. Last question?
No, you're done.
Oh, let me pick another one.
No. That's excited.
I like this one.
Pick.
This one, I'll pay.
Oh, remember. Which year did Ghana gain independence?
Oh, I want JC March 1957. The Republic of Ghana, 1st July.
Hey, winnie.
No, I'm a Ghanaian. So whatever that concerns, Ghana, so that wherever I go, I represent Ghana. So you should know something about us. I mean, you should know something.
So you want to pick one?
Yes, sir.
Hey, I don't know how many countries are in Africa? Oh, I can do it. You can get it.
60?
No, we are close, but it's not 60.
65?
No, it's below.
62?
It's below.
61?
It's below.
55?
Very close.
54?
Great.
54 countries in Africa. Really, that's okay.
Your guess, you guess very well. It's like your mind tries to.
I'm a math student, so I'm very calculative.
Great.
I'm very very jovial. But whatever you say, whatever you do, whatever I do as well, I'm very calculative. Okay. Sometimes, or mostly, I won't talk about it, but it doesn't mean I don't have it here. No, I have it.
Charlie, high five. You do everything. 100%, over 100%. All right, so guys, this has been a goofy segment, and the kind of segment is next. AJ Poundz. Now welcome to the candid segment.
Thank you.
On 101 with OdarteyGH. And this segment, I have with me here 10 questions on this card, and they are labeled 0 to 9. And these questions are questions sampled from your fans or followers on social media. So you pick 3 questions, and it should be your favorite 3 numbers or the last 3 numbers of your mobile number.
Okay, so my favorite is 7. 7 means perfect.
7. So there's 7.
Okay, so 7 means perfect.
Alright, good. So
that's my favorite number.
Let's go. Have you dated a sugar daddy before?
Oh yes.
Hey.
Oh yes, pa.
Sugar daddy.
Anka.
How age? How old are you?
Miss yes, actually. Like after senior high school, I felt I'm done with what mommy was saying. So Charlie, mom, let me explore kakra. So after I came, like started doing show-based kakra, they will come. And on brain, on do be brave.
Are they good in bed?
No, not good in bed. I'm after good in bed, I come to me and day. Meditative be pa.
Hello, good in bed now.
There be
orgasm.
Orgasm, no be a year. But after orgasm, no be orgasm, you go chop.
You go orgasm before?
Oh, it's necessary. But sugar D for me, yes, I come here be crying. You know, but
I'm under 1 minute phone.
Hey, and 1 minute phone. Oh, massa, fast. And
with ya.
Oh, bra.
We do what?
Oh, we now hip, or tie.
I never orgasm.
A day. Bra.
But the research shows about 90% of Ghanaian women have never experienced orgasm.
Because most Ghanaian men don't know how to take care of women in bed. Most Ghanaian men, foreplay. Oh, I always tell my friends, say,
I'm listening.
If enjoy relationship, only Bema what's not change chimpna. And now Bema be our date your brunida. Because white, you know, more person romantic moves near the So whoever that will date a white girl, no, will kind of learn 1 or 2 moves from her. So he would then apply to relationship. But talk of typical Ghanaian, oh, no, sorry, no, sorry, no. Mostly, no, the G-spot, no, you need to discover, you need to work on the woman before, no, baby. But sugar D, no, I don't know, now, the next one told the son, okay. And son also be only yet they are boy.
Okay, alright, good. When you feel see Hyena, we are crazy. Alright. The next number. Okay,
so 7, my favorite, and I love 1.
1.
Beginnings. Humble beginnings. I love 1. I respect humble beginnings.
Alright. Will you accept the role in a Kumawood movie?
Oh, of course.
Any role at all?
Why not? That is us. That is who we are. Yeah, culture, and they define the culture. We share this movie, is it Black Monkey or something? Beautiful movie. Beautiful movie. Movies, they have storylines. Storylines in a massive. Why won't I accept such roles? Of course, made. And I respect them, I salute them. Wow. Look at the likes of Chewa, Klobeto, Ejaku, look at Lewayne, Nana Mama Brown, Marv. Look at her talent. Una say talent, she's a definition of talent.
Yeah, that's true.
So why won't I work with them? What they? Unyam podo. I know we go much someone I made them pay Gallywood. But some yak say before movie. Oh, man, no, they no Gallywood man they need. You're the real man is crowned me. What you say? The common wood moving, and look at your talent. Look at their storyline. The only thing they said they need to packaging like a crack. Okay. But look at them. Look at their talent. Or your comedy, strictly comedy. Look at them. Look at the talent they possess. Yeah. My first major movie was Sami Ofori. Makeup girl, Kuma would just a serious storyline. Wow. So why won't I work with them? The Sam Kuma would form in Yabripa, me in Yajuma. They catch on I'm in Yajuma, miracle form say, That's a Josajima, Yajuma, Samia, Yajuma. Why won't I work with them? Oh, what then? Charlie, you are. Okay, my last number. And then, okay. 7-1. My first 2 auntie, Uncle Home. 0 day, me pay. 2 day that before. You can do 8. I don't do the meaning though, but to the uncle. At what age did you break your virginity? 20. After senior high school the following year. Okay, at least. I was a virgin too, and I was anxious. I became a cutting on you. Because I had sex, I don't know what this sex is about. And the way my friends were, saying, I wanted to explore, I wanted to have a feel of it. So I told him, Charlie, it was painful, but me and I'm saying, did it last long? No, because it was painful. Okay. It wasn't what I thought said here. So I was disappointed, very disappointed. But were you dating him? Oh yeah. We had dated like 2 years. I was in senior high school. So normal boyfriend, girlfriend, be.
He wasn't in the same school?
No. He was, I think, in the university. Oh, okay. He was normal touch me and I don't like that kind of thing. Yes. So after senior high school, the following year, after my birthday, cry and sana. Yeah. So
would you mind dating your age mates?
I don't mind if he's matured up there. So when you see the cry and I say, I don't mind.
So you are looking at maturity?
Yeah, maturity, because age is just a number. And with marriage, it's a long journey. Yeah. What I say. So you need somebody who is willing and ready, who sees you as his all, who knows, okay, this is the woman I want to spend the rest of my life with. Without her, I'm not happy. So almost every time he wants you around, he needs you around. That kind of person, my dear, don't let him go.
Wow. So if you're older than him and it's mature, you can, it's the material that you need for a long journey. Yes. You don't care what people say or society say.
Society, no. Oh, yes. The society.
I like your level of thinking, though.
If you don't get married on time, if you don't, gain certain things, the same society will bash you. Hey, if you give me, and look, if you go broke, nobody will support you, my dear. So whatever that you are supposed to do, hustle through, make that money, make that kind of happiness now open. Do what you think is best for you. Forget about the society. You think they like you? And I'm being to
okay. Alright, so these are questions coming from me as a blogger. So I want to know, what do you think is the major problem facing the Ghanaian movie industry? Investors.
And we industry players don't play a massive role. You see, if someone wants to invest in you and you don't allow yourself to be helped, or I won't say you don't allow yourself, there was backbiting, there was this. If I want to give you money and this person is saying, me from an way, what the mommy may say, fine, me this kind man. No, I can't go this kind. You think I'll give you an extra, next time I'll give you something else? No. That is what is happening. Most people want to invest, but the fear of who to invest the money into, what production should I go into, and also a problem. The government, people are saying the government that, the government this. A day in a year, we are not even united. Film industry, we are not united. We don't have one fund, say, this is what, when you go to Nigeria, they have one. Nollywood, a bomba they have that. We don't have one fund. Say government not fair. Say, okay, I'm giving this to you people. What do you want to use the money for? Nobody for the back of casa. Even penny for no more funds How many of them are actresses? Are actresses and actors? How many of them I've produced movies. Obo onuma we penny wo movie whatever association. No produce movie back crowd. How would he or she know what we go through? Message Johnson. Yeah, man, the brewo ne omo leadership ho. Such a person, she's got the experience. So onimnya actors ni here. What do we see here? It's a young person so you can be. Okay. Investors in pen now beboa. Upo bi dan cry their movie cry. If you want someone's house or apartment or offices cry now, because previous or their movie, omanya ho neat. It's in on farmer. If people don't want to help us because we are not helping ourselves. Yeah, that's true. We are trying, but Charlie, it's not easy. Until we change in your name, Bino. Ready. Okay, good. So if you had to advise Kumawood Productions or Kumawood, movies or whatever, what advice would you give to them? Branding is very important. Branding and packaging is very important. Because they are selling us now. They are really selling us, and I appreciate their work. They, almost stories, they're massive. Look at the stories they come up with. Amazing stories, amazing actors, amazing talents. All they need is a little touch, a little editing, kakra. It's a nyomo yeno, ni lights ni ye kakra, sound, boom, everything will be bibia push on the bed and tally. Asa. So is it that they don't know or what? They know. But I won't say a these days, camera. Oh, this is cameras from you soon. I only improve you. So improvements are been. Okay. What I say. So I mean, can be say they know and they are trying. They are trying very hard to get to the market. Every time they will. When the time a Hollywood almost started movie and you know, the century you. Okay, give enough to near short time of film and start yeah. Somewhere 18 something. Wow. And so for us to compare ourselves to them, and I am because they started way back. Centuries. Wow. So look at how we improve over and over. So all you know or improve camera wise or improve or be characters costume or be. So with time we also improve. All we need is a motivation and a little time. Good. My own 5 years na radio because I come out with movie. Even these days, movies premiere. Yeah, the premiere. My movie premieres very 3-4 times, and it's super compared to way back. Not to say changes are boom from I told you so. Nema echo so okay, good. OdarteyGH Poundz is a model, and now we agree with me that models are all over. Social media, everywhere. What is your take on nude modeling? Models of today going nude on social media and stuff. It's an act. It's an act. So you support them doing the nude. If it is towards something that they're doing, if it's their job, why not? That is for me. Very nude. I'm talking about very nude. You know we have. It is an act. I mean, I don't understand why they chose that. I don't get, and I can't tell them what to do. They're good enough, like grown-ups to do that. Okay. So for me, it's an act. And if Cardi B or Nicki Minaj, Beyonce go, if they go nude, we support them. We say, hey, sexy D. What I say? Mostly polo, was it J-Lo or something? Or the same thing run or penny run up na pantine ne pack most sexy. Kwapi polo ye bia. Mo the second had be bia papa. Although is an act. It's an act. Okay. Right, good. Act. Me dear, I'm not against them. Good. Or not feel so me team. But to be better me, why not support them? Okay, good. As an actress, I know you are very active on social media and you're monitoring stuff on social media and also online portals and stuff. Now, 2 actresses are beefing in Ghana. Ekwapim Polo and Sandy Camel. What is your take on this? Oh, they are all my sisters too. Yay. What is the problem? Oh, it's part of life. Even a thief and a thug, they do fight sometimes, but they gel and they work together. Sure. So, Mimi, who say, oh, like maybe there was one misunderstanding. Bina we person chese or you see, but maybe who say.
But they're good friends.
No, they are all my good friends. So if
but they are not friends as like.
Oh, they used to. I think they used to be cool. Okay. But Zandy, I will meet Zandy. We will talk, laugh. Rosemond, sing. I met Rosemond last week. Yesterday, before the Valentine's Day in the Crampo. I think the 13th I met her. Okay. We laughed. You know, we spoke. So me, it could be one of those social media. But me who, I'm not paying attention to them. I'll be a normal me.
Oh, but when you say it's not any no.
For me, I know the genesis of whatever, but I talked to Zandy when it all started. She explained her bit, but I've not listened to Rosemond. And you know, even the Bible says, if you should listen to one side of the story, you will judge wrongly. Yeah. So I can't judge. See, we are now we. Maybe until I meet her again, and on the kind of side of the story, as in how it all started, then I will know whose side I can take. But I advise them, hey, ladies, let's just. I mean, maybe I'm mood grow fine. It could be just some stunts, big okay. But if it's not, munjai.
I advise you. I'm for you. Now because eyes are watching.
Rose,
they're also mentoring some people. You know, they have foundations and stuff. And if you go on social media and ranting
Rose, and
using some words, my production manager used some words. Later before this interview, I don't want to mention, but they should be very circumspect with some of the words that they use on social media because
you see, when you are too, it's good to be loud. Me, I'm loud. You can be loud not only with one way. You can be loud in your art, your craft, your looks. Let people know you for their way. Yes, me the didn't be fine, but now be the master craft, no. So wherever you are called to do something, obey ye. And more being who's a girl, again, no, ye did no. So what I say, and open a meeting me a catch home. A human now ye. Now swab and fast, and they are trying, they're doing their best, but they didn't know. I'm tuning like a crack. I also now come. I'm tuning like a crack, Kenya, but I love them. I love them. They are pretty women doing marvelously, and I appreciate their works.
Yeah, that's great. Charlie, Akasa. Before you go, I want your concluding remarks. I mean, if you have anything, any future project, just inform my viewers and also drop your social media handle. Somebody wants to connect with you or work with you.
Oh, if you want to work with me, simple. Just follow me on Instagram, AJ. Poundz _POUNDZ_GH Ghanaian and beyond AJ Poundz_GH. You can call me on 05062899565. Oh, Debbie, oh Freya. So won't go for you better. Any Juma follow me. Oh, the mail DM me. Oh, be over DM be time we talk. Say me who ya. If I've not replied means I haven't seen it. As far as I am me who I reply in the a day. Without the fans, you are nobody. So hey, let's just support our legends, respect and elderly, whoever that's is senior, respect them and then give them that due. Because someday you grow up to be like them. Being a musician or say actor or respect them. And then try and master your craft wherever you are. And you might never know who is watching you. What I say? You man so Diego say me person make asa about to be Alright,
Charlie. AJ Poundz, thank you for coming on OdarteyGH.
Thanks for having me. What do you chat? Why are you? Sometimes someone will be kasa and I never real. So we do like most people do that just to know if the person is real or the person is serious, and then you follow up. Thanks for having me.
You're welcome once again. Thank you very much. Alright, viewers, so this has been the end of OdarteyGH with the ever beautiful AJ Poundz. Guys, I've learned a lot. I guess you also have learned a lot. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So click on the notification bell to catch subsequent episode of OdarteyGH. Until you come your way next week, it's bye for now.